What's up, curly crew? Welcome to my curly hair routine. Of course, you guys can see the hair is super dry. It needs some love, and the scalp is going through it. So of course, we're going to be using the Curl Daddy products that promote hair growth and scalp health, and it's just going to take the hair to the next level. I'm just, to be honest with you guys, I just wanna show you guys the magical thing of using plant-based products free of harsh chemicals. I don't know if you guys know this, but everything that you apply to yourself is absorbed into your body, right? Our skin is like a sponge. First of all, it's the second largest organ in our body, and it's like a sponge. It's going to absorb everything. So it's important for you to understand that plant-based products free of harsh chemicals is the way to go. So I'm gonna be using our new baby right here, guys. We've been formulating this for a while now, and we got it right. So I'm going to be using my sample, which this will be soon on the website for pre-order. And of course, we're going to be using our Lay Me Down conditioner, which this is on the website on coildaddy.com if you guys are interested in checking it out. And for styling, I'll probably use the cream gel and maybe a bit of oil, just because I don't want and I'll probably maybe a serum at the end. I'll guide you guys through it, but I'm gonna use definitely a cream gel. I'm a fan of cream gels, guys, just because cream gels kind of do this. They just kind of give me the definition. They give me the moisture. They give me the hold. They give me the volume. They give me, did I mention definition? Yeah, they give me the definition. So I'm going to wash really quickly, come back to you guys, and then we can just show you guys how we transform this amazing curly texture hair and just elevate it and take it to the next level. We are back. The hair is fresh and clean, and as you guys can see, the scalp is completely back to normal. So this is how your scalp needs to look all the time, guys, because as you guys know, healthy scalp equals healthy hair. So let's get into now just styling and putting some plant-based products free of harsh chemicals into the hair, just to really take it to the next level. Again, to moisturize the hair, give it volume, definition, and a very touchable hold, which is the goal. We do not want flakes. We don't want any crunchy hair vibes. We just want it to look as natural and as amazing as possible, right? So guys, when applying your product, you can either apply it like all at once if you want to. It's just going to give you a different vibe, or you can actually just part it and apply it in sections. This is just going to take it to the next level and give you tons of more definition. Alright guys, so I'm going to continue applying the product in sections and then show you the final results. Alright guys, so here you go. This is the final results. As you guys can see, there is the curl definition is there, the shine is there, the texture is there, the natural touchable hold is there, which is what we like. We do not want crunchy hair vibes, and this is all is a natural hold, guys. It's a natural hold. So of course it's probably 95% dry. This is going to look different tomorrow. It's going to get a bit bigger. I have not even like picked it out or styled it. This is what it's naturally doing, but of course I'll probably style it and it's going to look different day after day. So this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I inspire you guys to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. Guys, it's important to understand that everything that you apply to yourself, you absorb it. Your skin is the second largest organ in your body, and we absorb everything we put on. So it's important to start using plant-powered, plant-based, vegan hair care, free of harsh chemicals to promote hair growth and scalp health. Muy importante. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe, take care, and remember, love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. Journey back to you. Peace and love.